Hello space enthusiasts, and welcome back to the channel. Get ready, because what I'm about to share is going to blow your mind. For centuries, we've gazed up at the stars and wondered, what's out there? We've sent probes, listened with giant radio dishes, and scanned the heavens, all in the hope of finding something or someone from beyond our own cosmic neighborhood. Well, folks, the universe just delivered something extraordinary right to our doorstep. We have a visitor. An interstellar travula, born around another star, is currently cruising through our solar system. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. On July 1st, 2025, astronomers using the NASA-funded Atlas Survey telescope in Chile spotted a faint, fast-moving object. At first, it was just another blip on the screen, but as they tracked its trajectory, they realized this was no ordinary space rock. Its path was all wrong. It wasn't orbiting our sun in the neat, predictable way that everything else in our solar system does. This object was on a one-way trip, a cosmic express train passing through our celestial backyard before heading back out into the void. They named it 3IATLAS. The 3 means it's the third such object ever discovered. And the I stands for interstellar. This is a big deal, a monumental discovery that has the scientific community buzzing with excitement. So, what exactly is 3AA? It's a comet, a giant ball of ice, dust, and rock. But unlike any comet we've ever seen before. All the comets we know, like Halley's or Hale-Bopp, were born right here in our solar system, likely in the icy depths of the Oort cloud. They are our celestial siblings, but 3I Atlas is an outsider, a relic from another star system, potentially billions of miles and millions of years away. Imagine it. This object has traveled through the crushing emptiness of interstellar space for an unfathomable amount of time, a silent witness to cosmic history, before happening to wander into our little corner of the galaxy. The discovery itself is a fantastic story of modern astronomy. After the initial sighting in Chile, scientists went into detective mode. They scoured the archives of other telescopes, like the Zwicky Transient Facility at Palomar Observatory. And they found it. They located pre-discovery images of the comet dating back to June 14th. By piecing together these observations, they could precisely map its incredible journey. When first spotted, 3I Atlas was a staggering 410 million miles away from the Sun, already inside the orbit of Jupiter. That's like spotting a fly in a football stadium from the nosebleed seats. It's a testament to the incredible power of our sky surveying technology. The ATLAS system, which stands for Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Lass Alert System, is designed to find potentially hazardous asteroids, but in this case, it found something far more profound. This discovery follows in the footsteps of two other famous interstellar visitors. First, there was Oumuamua in 2017, a bizarre cigar-shaped object that tumbled through our solar system, leaving scientists scratching their heads. Was it a comet? An asteroid? Something else entirely? Its strange shape and behavior fueled intense speculation. Then, in 2019, came to Borisov, which looked and acted much more like a conventional comet, giving us our first real taste of the chemical makeup of another solar system. Now, with 3I Atlas, we have a third data point. Each one of these visitors is like a single page torn from a book. We've never been able to read the book of other star systems. Each one is a precious opportunity to learn what the building blocks of other worlds might be like. So, what happens next? The good news is, we have time. 3I Atlas isn't just making a quick flyby. Scientists will have several months to study it in detail. As of early July, it's still way out there, just inside Jupiter's orbit. But it's heading inbound. Its trajectory will bring it sweeping towards the inner solar system. The peak of this cosmic show is predicted for late October 2025, when it will make its closest approach to our Sun. It will pass just inside the orbit of Mars. Now, before anyone panics, let me be crystal clear. 3IATLAS poses absolutely zero threat to Earth. It will remain millions upon millions of miles away from us, We are perfectly safe, but we get a front row seat to this incredible astronomical event. What are scientists hoping to learn? Everything. As the comet gets closer to the sun, the solar radiation will heat its surface. This will cause its ices to sublimate, to turn directly from a solid into a gas, creating a classic cometary coma and tail. By analyzing the light from that gas using spectroscopy, astronomers can determine its chemical composition. Are the ices made of water, just like our comets? Or are they composed of other exotic materials like frozen nitrogen or carbon monoxide? Does it carry the complex organic molecules that are the precursors to life? Answering these questions can tell us if the ingredients for life as we know it are common throughout the galaxy, or if our solar system is somehow special. The James Webb Space Telescope, Hubble, and countless ground-based observatories will all be turning their powerful eyes towards this object. They'll be watching its every move, analyzing its every burp of gas and dust. They'll measure its size, its shape, its rotation, and how its activity changes as it basks in the sun's warmth. This is like a planetary scientist's dream come true, a free sample delivered from another star. You won't have to spend billions of dollars and decades of time to build a probe and send it to another star system. The other star system sent a sample to us. Think about the journey this object has been on. It was likely ejected from its home star system long ago, perhaps by the gravitational pull of a giant planet, much like Jupiter sometimes flings comets out of our own solar system. Since then, it has been drifting through the Milky Way. It may have passed by other stars, through giant clouds of gas and dust, and witnessed cosmic events we can only imagine. It's a true time capsule, carrying secrets from its birthplace and from its long. Every piece of data we gather is a clue to the grand story of our galaxy. This discovery also highlights how our view of the cosmos is changing. For a long time, we thought our solar system was an isolated island. Now, we know that the space between stars is not empty. There's a slow but steady traffic of objects moving between star systems. Oumuamua, Borisov, and now Atalas prove that this is a regular, if rare, phenomenon. It makes you wonder how many have passed by unnoticed throughout human history. It's only now, with our advanced technology, that we're able to spot these faint and fleeting visitors. It feels like we've just put on a new pair of glasses and are suddenly seeing a whole new layer of reality in the universe. The story of 3i Atlas is still unfolding. Over the coming months, there will be new findings, new papers, and probably a few new mysteries. What will we learn? Will its composition be similar to our own comets, suggesting a universal recipe for solar systems? Or will it be wildly different, revealing a diversity in planetary formation we never knew existed? Either outcome is a win for science. This is how we push the boundaries of knowledge, by observing the unknown and daring to ask big questions. It's an incredibly exciting time to be alive and to be following the science of astronomy. We'll be keeping a close eye on this story as it develops, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel with notifications turned on. We bring you all the latest updates and expert analyses as our interstellar visitor makes its journey through our cosmic neighborhood. What do you think we'll find? Let me know your theories and thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey of discovery. Until next time, keep looking up.